Eggs are received at the hatchery twice a day from the broiler parent stock farm and the layer parent farm. They are taken into the cold room and left to settle. They are then sorted to remove eggs that will not hatch. This process removes eggs with hairline cracks, dirty eggs, very small eggs, and the very big ones. They are counted and labeled to keep track of the source birds. 1.2 million eggs will go through here every month. They are put on setter trays for incubation and loaded into the setter machines. During the first 18 days, the temperature, humidity, and ventilation are critically monitored. Eggshell temperature is monitored to ensure that machines run smoothly. Eggs are periodically rotated to ensure that all sides are evenly incubated. Alarms go off if there's a change in temperature, or if the turning stops, or if the door is accidentally opened, or if the power fails. Workers respond to these alarms within minutes, 24 hours a day. After 18 days, the eggs undergo candling. A light shown below reveals infertile eggs or early mortalities that will be removed. A breakout analysis will examine why they are infertile, and the farm will review the effectiveness of the males in the flock. The eggs are then put in the hatching machines for the remaining 3 days. On the 21st day, the eggs will hatch. Hatching will continue for around 24 hours with a hatch window controlled carefully. It is left long enough for most chicks to hatch, but not too long that the chicks which hatch first get dehydrated. Layers are easily sorted by color sexing as the males take the brown mother color. The white chicks are removed. The broilers are all white and do not undergo this treatment, as all the birds have the same commercial value. Chick quality analysis samples the different chicks for weight, length, demeanor, and morphology to ensure quality at the market. Only the best chicks are selected. The layer chicks are vaccinated for Marex a few hours after hatching. They are then packaged and dispatched. They can survive in these boxes for 48 hours without food or water. Hatching is done on Sundays and Wednesdays, hatching around 110,000 broilers and 6,300 layers every week.